How to log into Yahoo Mail account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Yahoo Mail app in your device. You can get this app easily from Play Store or App Store. After you download it, open this app. You will land to this kind of page. Over here you can find the option of sign in with Yahoo. Tap on it. Tap on the option continue. Now over here you can just type in username, email or mobile number of your Yahoo Mail. And after you are done, you can tap on next. Now type in the password of your Yahoo Mail. And after you are done, tap on next. And here you can see that I just logged into my Yahoo Mail. This is how you can easily log into your Yahoo Mail account. This was it. I hope now you guys are clear about how to log into Yahoo Mail account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.